Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat water fountains currently available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium smart fountain, we've got you covered. I've done the research, tested these products, and broken down their features to help you make the best decision for your feline friends. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Geotahun Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. This fountain is designed with simplicity and practicality in mind, featuring a compact 2.2 liters, 74 ounces capacity that's perfect for small to medium-sized pets. With a choice of 2 water flow modes, faucet and fountain, it offers flexibility based on your pet's drinking preferences. The faucet mode is especially enticing for cats who love running water. While the fountain mode is great for smaller pets who need easier access, the design is sturdy, made from SUS 304 stainless steel, which is rust-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. The 4-stage filtration system ensures your pet gets fresh, clean water every time. It's also incredibly quiet, running at less than 25 decibels, making it ideal for placement in bedrooms or quiet spaces. However, its smaller capacity may require more frequent refilling if you have multiple pets, and it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked options. This fountain is a good choice if you're looking for a no-frills, reliable option that delivers clean water and requires minimal maintenance. However, if you want app connectivity or a larger capacity, you might want to look at other options on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Veken Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain, an upgrade to the brand's award-winning design. This model features a 2.8-liter, 95-ounce capacity, making it a great choice for multiple pets or for those who don't want to refill the fountain frequently. The stainless steel build is not only sleek and modern, but also incredibly hygienic and easy to clean. It comes with an optional LED light that enhances visibility and adds a nice aesthetic touch. Performance-wise, the Veken fountain features a 5-stage filtration system that includes activated carbon, silver ions, and a scale inhibitor to provide ultra-clean and odor-free water. You can choose between 2 flow modes, a flower waterfall or a gentle fountain. Both encourage hydration and keep your pets engaged. While this model doesn't have smart features like app monitoring, it's a solid, durable option with a large capacity and reliable performance. The main downside is that it's a bit bulkier than some other models, so it might not fit well in smaller spaces. Still, if you want a high-capacity, stainless steel fountain that's easy to maintain, this is a fantastic mid-range option that delivers on its promises. At number 3, we have another offering from Veken, the 95-ounce/2.8-liter pet fountain. This is the brand's award-winning plastic model, and while it doesn't have the premium stainless steel upgrade, it's still a strong contender. With the same 95-ounce capacity as the stainless steel version, it's well-suited for households with multiple pets. The 2 flow options, flower waterfall and gentle fountain, are designed to attract cats and encourage hydration. One of the standout features of this fountain is its 5-stage filtration system, which ensures that your pet's water is fresh, clean, and safe. It's also incredibly quiet, thanks to its low-energy pump. The plastic build keeps it lightweight, although it's not as durable or hygienic as stainless steel. It does come with a water-level window and an LED light for easier monitoring, which is a nice touch. The Veken plastic fountain is a great choice for pet owners who want a functional, affordable fountain without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for a more stylish or hygienic option, the stainless steel model or other higher-ranked fountains might suit you better. A runner-up is the PETLIBRO cordless cat water fountain, a fantastic option for pet owners who value flexibility and portability. This fountain is powered by a rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery, making it one of the few completely cordless options on the market. With a capacity of 2.5 liters, 84 ounces, it offers a good balance between size and ease of use. The dual water modes include a radar sensor induction mode that activates water flow only when your pet is nearby, conserving battery life. The design features BPA-free materials and a stainless steel tray, ensuring both safety and durability. The wireless pump and detachable tank make cleaning effortless, and the multi-layer filtration system keeps water fresh and free from impurities. While it lacks smart app connectivity, its portability and innovative battery-operated design make it stand out from the crowd. This is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable fountain during short trips or power outages. However, if you want advanced monitoring features, our top pick might be a better fit. Overall, it's a versatile, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Finally, at number 1, we have the PETLIBRO app monitoring cat water fountain. This premium option combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, stainless steel design. With a 2.5 liters, 84-ounce capacity, it's not the largest on the list, but it's packed with features that make it worth the investment. The standout feature is its app integration, which allows you to track your cat's hydration habits, monitor water levels, and receive reminders to clean or refill the fountain. The PawSense health monitoring system is a game-changer, providing detailed reports on your cat's drinking behavior. The fountain is incredibly quiet, operating at just 23 decibels, and it includes a multi-layer filtration system to ensure fresh, clean water. The detachable water tank and wireless pump make cleaning simple, and the BPA-free materials ensure safety for your furry friend. This fountain is ideal for tech-savvy pet owners who want to closely monitor their cat's health. The only downside is the higher price point, but considering the features and convenience it offers, it's well worth it. If you're looking for the best of the best, the PETLIBRO app monitoring fountain is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right water fountain for your cat. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you have any questions about these fountains, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.